Guys, welcome to JCN Trading, where I trade options on my channel. Before we jump into this video, thank you guys for getting me to 400 subscribers on the road to 500 subscribers. Guys, it's been a blessing. So before we continue, can I get a subscribe if you haven't subscribed already? Can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a like? All right. So I'm not going to do too much talking. Quick, simple, easy. I want you guys to see the dates here, right? Before June 29th, I haven't made any deposits in this account since April. Okay? So long story short, all these other deposits before this last deposit of $75, I blew the account every time. I blew the account every time. Now I'm at $75 and I just scrolled up. You guys can see the balance on my real account right here. 260, right? So we're just gonna jump right over to the quick trading real quick and trades do I get? And guys, look at my trading history, okay? On my real account. So for you guys that saying, some of you guys that saying this is working, this is not working, this is my real account, this is what I'm doing right now. I just made this trade randomly, 10 something at night. I won. So for those of you who saying, let me see you do this on a real account, I'm about to do it right now in front of your face. The last deposit I did, it was $75. I'm at to 260. Someone said do $1 trades. I'm doing $10 trades. Okay. So um yeah, I'm doing $10 trades. And I'm doing $10 trades in your face. I'm doing $10 trades while I'm talking. I just entered for that $10 trade right there. Just now. All right. I'm doing 10-second trades. Now the account is at 260. Let's look at this trading history. All right. So from $75 to basically 270, I just did it in front of your face. I just did a trade just now in front of your face. This works. Okay. My strategy works. My method works. It's working. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, JCN. Like, comment. More coming very, very, very soon. Before I do any deposit out this account, I'm looking to. I could have got in for another sale right there, but it's all good. It's all good. Just stay tuned. Be patient with me. Stay tuned. I'm being more consistent. I showed you guys my trading history. I just opened the trade right there in front of your face. It works on a live account. This is real. This is not the demo. I switch over to the demo right now. This is the demo account right here. I'm not trading on the demo. It got about 11,000 in it. Guys, JCN Trading Option. Can I get a like, comment, subscribe? Please stay focused. Stay locked in. Let's get it. I'm out.